Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you guys, I was shopping my stash again and I have found this box that is at least 5 years old. Now, back in my scrapbooking days, I would often look on eBay in search of lots, scrapbooking lots. And one lady was selling a whole lot of stuff like this, 7 gypsies and these scrap work things. I can't remember what the price was, but I'm telling you, I got a really, really good deal. Most of these things are like $3.99, $4.99, $2.99, and they add up. So I have never actually used them because I didn't really know how the heck to use them. So I think I used a couple of the page turners or photo turners or something like that. But for the most part, these are fresh and brand new. So if you guys know how to use some of this stuff, please let me know. Now, when I did the video, I had no clue, and then I started playing around with one of my signatures and just trying to use this stuff, right? Because if you don't use it after 5 years, you guys, I mean, come on now, it's time to do something different. So I get to one of the 7 gypsies things, and you'll notice it when I start kind of honing in on it. And so I've realized I can make, and it's these right here. These are, they're like matchbook tag thingies, whatever you want to call them, is what they are. So I have an idea. I'm going to make something similar towards the end of this video. But yeah, just kind of sit here, and if you have a comment on how to use some of this stuff, please leave it down below. I'd like to know. Yeah, so I'm going to continue with the fast speed, of course, and I will add some light music, nothing too heavy on top of the blues that's playing in the background. I'll do that. But anyway, yeah, so I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So I need to adjust these papers right here in relation to the brads, but overall I really liked how this turned out, of course, because I'll let the video get posted. So I'm just going to add some finishing touches here, and that is it. Now, of course, you can go ahead and add more detail. As I was trying to point out, you can just add full papers or do some stamping and stenciling on those, just to kind of spruce things up a bit. But anyway, just to give you guys extra ideas on top of old ideas, of course. As we see, this is 7 Gypsies, matchbook notebook. We've been doing this kind of on and off, you know, anyway, here and there. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, have a wonderful grand rising, a wonderful evening, or a wonderful night, wherever you are.